At the point when I need to grin, I know precisely exact thing to do. I simply shut my eyes and I think about you, considering you possess me to feel cherished, really focused on, and quite much obliged to you for being my protected harbor. I get up toward the beginning of the day with you as my most memorable suspected. I rest confidently with you as my last suspected. For what reason might I had I at any point could considering you you are worth in excuse of you are only one out of many pending you in a universe of desire. You are my quite much obliged to you for the glow in your arms and your heart that gets me to feel comfortable contemplating you on the off chance that I were given $1 for each time you were in my viewpoints. I just have one sense you never left them. I can't reject that an extraordinary individual like you has partaken in my heart away. I can hardly stand by to see you each time you take a gander at me and see my grand simply realize that I am considering you. Consideration of you will be constantly in my heart. I want you to enjoy all that life has to offer on this planet and trust you will be here soon. It doesn't make any difference assuming we are together or we are not even close to one another one way or another. I generally think about you at any rate, considering you at the point we sex effort to be them and circumstances get difficult and you don't have the vaguest idea what to do. Simply realize you have a darling here to help and help you through. Considering you and wanting for something charming that might have occurred between us is all I do when I am spotted from everyone else. I believe you should realize that I am pandering you and how sweet and extraordinary you have been to me since we meet today and constantly may making resolutions of bring you harmony, souls, and strength. I have large number of things to ponder in my life. However, the possibility of you continues to come back every second of great importance. I do whatever it takes not to miss you. I attempt to give up. However, eventually, you are constantly at the forefront of my thoughts. Love is somewhat of a sweet fire which consumes you unceasingly. That fire won't ever does. That sparkle won't ever blow. It talks in delicate towns. It must be seen by an open heart. It requests only dependability. Consequently, it must be held by delicate hands. My life is different as a result of you. My life changed since the day I meet you. Everything changed in town for me. I was so enamored with you. I feel that was unexplainable adoration. From that point forward, I am in wonderment with you. You are the adoration and my light. With you, I feel so wonderful. My adoration with you, I feel so splendid. Never have an impact on how you are. Never change your things throughout every day. Life be a similar individual. You are you are my life's sparkling star, my child. I am infatuated with you. Will be over listeningly and through.